Okay, so today we will do one question, that is top businesses with the most reviews. Find the top 5 business with the most reviews. Assume that each row has unique business ID such that the total reviews of each business is listed on each row. Output the business name along with the total number of reviews and order your results by the total reviews in descending order. Okay, so here is the table: Yelp, help, and we only need business ID and reviews and name also. Yes, name also. So we'll select name and review count from Yelp business, order by review count, descending, and we'll run this and we got this, and we'll limit it to 5 for the first 5. So here is our answer. We'll solve and our answer is correct. And there is one more method we can do this. So with CTE as, we'll select name, review, and we'll rank them, rank over, and we'll order by review count and descending as rank. So from Yelp business, we'll select all from CTE. Okay, so we got the name and review with the rank. So we just need the first 5. We'll use one where clause where rank is less than equals to 5. We only need name and review count. We'll solve this and we got the answer. So this question is really not the medium type, it's more of easy. I showed you 2 ways to do that, and you can use either of them, but if you want to use rank or window functions, you can use these CTE and rank function over order. So yes, that was it. Thank you. I hope it was clear.